Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a non-vegetarian recipe with you, and that is chicken liver. It's a yummy recipe, a very simple one to prepare, and you can have it for breakfast or lunch. Let's see the ingredients here. I've taken half kg chicken liver. I washed it and got it ready for the dish. Potatoes, onion, green chili, garlic, ginger, and cumin seeds. Now the last four ingredients I will put them through a blender. Well, this will be for marinating the chicken liver. Well, I had not added any water in that, so it's just as I liked it. Now here you can marinate the chicken liver and let it rest for some time. Fine. Here in a vessel I've taken 4 tablespoon oil. To that I'll be adding just one ingredient, that is bay leaf. The chicken liver is a very delicate uh, ingredient, so you don't need a lot of spices. I've added onion here. Now I will saute the onion till they turn into a nice golden brown. Do not fry them completely, but just let it change color and get soft. Well, this is exactly how I want it. Now let's add uh, the marinated chicken liver to this. The marinated chicken liver has been resting for the last 10-15 minutes, and so here it goes. Now give this a good stir again so that all the ingredients come together. And the chicken liver changes color. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Well, you can see now the chicken liver is covered with the onion and the oil, and it's good. So let's go ahead. We will now add our potatoes. For the potatoes, I've kept them very small so they cook fast along with the chicken liver. Now you can have fried potato wedges here, and my Parsi friends, they prefer the potato sali, that is ready made. You get after you serve the dish, or you add the sali on the chicken liver. So the option is yours. Now here we go to the dry masala, my regular dry masala, that is turmeric powder, chili powder, and my Pathai Prabhu garam masala. When I add the Pathai Prabhu garam masala, I don't need to do any more grinding. So it's very convenient and tasty. It just turns the dish into a lovely, yummy one. Here I've added salt to this. Again, let's give it a nice stir. Let all the masalas get cover the chicken liver. But there are two ways you can prepare this chicken liver. Some like it dry, and now at this stage I can cover the vessel and let it simmer for say 20-25 minutes to get a dry chicken liver. Okay, so usually they do this for breakfast, so they have this with their eggs or whatever, and or just on the toast they have this chicken liver. So then they like it dry, very dry. So you just put a lid on and let it simmer for 25 minutes. But today I'm having this for my lunch, so I'll be adding 1 more cup of water, so I get a little gravy form. I'll be serving this with our regular Mumbai pav, and well, here I've taken 1 more cup of water, and again I will let this simmer on slow flame now. Reduce the flame, okay? because we want our potatoes even to cook. The potatoes are even raw, and of course the chicken liver too. You just cover it and let it simmer. Wow, I'm getting a yummy aroma in the kitchen. My chicken liver is all ready, and yeah, it looks just great. Yummy. I just checked the potatoes and the chicken liver. They are well cooked. So just I will garnish this with coriander leaves. They add to the dish. And yes, today I'll be adding a dash of mint leaves, but that is again optional. So you may avoid the mint leaves, but the dash of mint leaves do make a lot of difference to the taste. And serve this nice and hot with our Mumbai pav, and you're going to love it. I'm sure you're going to try this dish at home and give me your feedback. Well, friends, today's chicken liver was really yummy. And I'm sure you're going to try this. And if you have liked today's recipe, do not forget to press the button like, share this recipe with your friends, and yes, if you're new to my channel, please press the button subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Take care.